I am the biggest hater of math. Hi everyone, I am Dhruti, a proud Agasthian. I studied in Agastya from past 11 years. So I passed out 10th the recent times. I am the biggest hater of math. I started loving math because I got such an amazing teacher such as Neeti ma'am. And in my lower classes, I got a teacher, Rajeshwari ma'am, who was also handling my maths. She made the concept of math to be very easy for me. She just understand in what way I could understand math. The guidance I got during my SSLC preparation was all of my teachers were very clear about what they are doing and what we are supposed to do. The teachers at Agastya Vidyaniketan were very specific on all of our behaviors or all of our academic performance. They helped very much in all solving my doubts or solving a lot of PYQs, which helped me during the last months of the boards. The teachers, the friends I have met over here are very enjoyable, the same vibe which I have. I spend most of my time rather with my parents, with my teachers. So my teachers were my greatest backbone, I could say. Whenever I was feeling low or when I got a very less marks, they were telling me you can do it better, you are capable of it. So they are the reason for all of my results which I've got till now. They are more than a teacher for me, they are my parents, I could say. The best point of coming to the school was all these lab activities. During lab activities, like what I feel is when I study the theory part, that wouldn't go that deep into my mind as when I see the visual things. So that really helped. I'm glad Agastya Vidyaniketan has given all those facilities to us. Talents are there for executing, so if it is inside, it is of no use. I was very much interested in painting. As my mother says, I started painting when I was 3 years old, when I was scribbling on the papers, and then she recognized my talent and I just continued the painting. And when I came to Agastya Vidyaniketan, the management of Agastya Vidyaniketan gave me opportunity to participate in Pratibha Karanji, that is one of the talent exhibiting stage. There were many career guidance organized by the management of Agastya Vidyaniketan, which has given me the clarity of what I am supposed to do and what I could do when I choose a particular stream. The teachers at Agastya Vidyaniketan has also helped me in understanding the values and the job opportunities we can get in certain careers and choosing the path. There were many co-curricular activities such as chess, yoga, PE, due to which we could enhance our concentration skills. So I'm very thankful for Agastya Vidyaniketan for having chess. There is Chaduranga Siddhi, which was helpful for me to develop the concentration skill. Yoga has been a major part in all of my day-to-day life. So the introduction of yoga was given to me by Agastya Vidyaniketan. So till then I was not introduced to yoga. So whatever I have learnt in Agastya Vidyaniketan is all because of the 4 pillars of Agastya Vidyaniketan. That is Manjunath Aradhya sir, our chairperson of Agastya Vidyaniketan, is like a backbone of school management of Agastya Vidyaniketan. He has played an instrumental role in building the school, in indulging the extracurricular activities, so which has helped in all the ways I could explain you. Nagratna Aradhya ma'am. So she has been a great support for our academic as well as our co-curricular activities as well. Vinuta Aradhya ma'am, who is the treasurer, she is very humble with us, she is friendly, she talks sweetly. Tejasvi Aradhya sir, he is also the backbone of Agastya Vidyaniketan. Agastya Vidyaniketan has helped me a lot in creating a stage for me to execute my talent and everything.
We love Agastya Vidyaniketan!